Welcome to GitHub journey. Now in this particular session, we're going to understand like how do we create a GitHub project and how do we import that project into our Eclipse. Most of the time I will be in mute and I will be telling you with the help of Notepad, and whenever I want to, I will just speak and then add some value into it. Okay, so if you're new to GitHub, then go to github.com, create your username, password. Okay, so your username by default is your email address, and then you just give a password and sign up for GitHub. It's not a complicated process to do. Repository section, click on new. Repository name can match a particular project name or it can be a different. Just copy the path. Now the option will be clone a repository. Remember that. So clone repository. There's a second option here. So you can see that the option is clone repository. Just provide all necessary details here. It's automatically populated if you already copied your GitHub URL. Okay, username password should be entered at the first time and then secure it in a secure store in a secure store. Okay, so you can just click on next. This is a branch. As of now, just ignore, keep master. So what I did, my GitHub repository is reflecting here. As of now, there is nothing in there. Okay, only Git and README folder. So I'm going to do a trick now. Okay, so just watch it closely. I'm going to this particular folder now. So you can see learn full stack August project. Okay, so just open this folder. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to this particular directory and then copying the content. Now this is my primary project. Okay, so I can remove my earlier project from my Eclipse. You should be importing this new project which is coming from Github, okay, in your package explorer now. And remember that we copied the content already, so we are actually having the latest content here. As soon as you do that, there is a new arrow here you can see, and that is GitHub arrow. So now you will be able to check in your code. See, all these arrows are basically indication that these code are not available in your repository. Okay, so we have to sync up the repository. Now I'm committing the change so that you all will be able to see the code. Now, these are all the changes which I am going to commit into repository, and you will be able to see that. Okay. Use commit and push option. So this is the path where it is available. So github.com/java-rishi/learn full stack August, and you will be able to see that in our community on Telegram. So I will be posting this particular URL. You can grab it. See, the latest changes are reflecting now. So use this link to get the code. Now, how do you import this particular code on your Eclipse or GitHub? So let's start that process. Deleting this project, nothing in my Eclipse, nothing in my GitHub, all clean. So just like your computer now. So this GitHub is clean now. So I'm going to add this GitHub, okay, link here. And again, I'm going doing the same process. Use the same link. Get the master branch. Just appropriately select your repository. Okay, this GitHub is just like I created this folder. Okay, so you can put it anywhere. I recommend you to put it in your capital Java folder. So now everything is imported. Now what you can do, you'll be able to see the working set. Okay, so just click here and you will see all these details, right? So now working tree, right click, import projects. It will actually select the project, learn full stack. This is what I need. It is Eclipse project. Finish that. It will finish everything. Go back to your Java and you should be able to see your learn Java full stack project. That's it. It's that simple. So follow these steps and grab your code. Okay. Thanks a lot everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead. Enjoy your time.